Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 3-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.